more flexible and solve real problems. And the main part to work with AI is good prompting. So we started from there. We started as a company that collects, sell, and also buy prompts, because I can say from my experience that the result is 50% depends on prompt. Even low powering model can respond properly with good prompt, and for example Sonnet 3.7 can respond an awful response with bad prompts. So we started from prompt marketplace, and then we start comparing results from different systems. That's how Cabina AI appears, and you can see that you can compare Claude, GPT, Gemini, and work with all of these AIs in a single window, not losing your context. Okay, main features is that we collect almost all popular AI tools, and you can work with large files, build AI workflows. You can work with AI Photoshop, where some models can edit your photos based on your input prompt. Later I can show you how it works. And for business, I think it's a good point, LoRA. LoRA is your own pre-trained image model that can reproduce. For example, you have a photo of your brand. It can be some product, and you want this product to be on each photo you generate. So you train your own LoRA, and later you can work with your product directly using the prompt you provide. Okay, for business, we also have API and AI bots integration. It doesn't open to public because right now we also have a special offer, because we are testing hypothesis, and we are testing how this workflow can actually solve real business problems, and we are starting from our own.
Dmytro,
okay,
just a moment. Can you show yourself? Yeah, is it possible?
Yeah, sure. I thought I
Yeah. Okay, great. And can you please show a previous slide? And I wanna ask others, which instruments from those do you use usually? What is your favorite? For example, I use Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, DALL-E, Midjourney, Leonardo, Ideogram, 11 Labs, all of them. And please evaluate and ask in the chat which instruments do you use the most often. It's interesting. Am I right, Dmytro? So you have a platform where you can use all of these instruments together. Yeah, you don't need to use different accounts all in one platform.
Yeah, actually we can go and try it by your own. For example, how to prepare to presentation. Okay, we started with Claude Haiku. It's fine. For compare mode, we also have a separate window. But for example, we don't like the answer that Haiku provided, but we don't want to lose the context. We can switch to GPT and ask to continue. ChatGPT know the previous context. He understands that what we've been speaking with Haiku, and will provide us the proper response. So we even see that he continued the message that Claude started. It's a good tool not to lose the context and increase your overall speed and efficiency. So we can go ahead, and I'll show you. I really wanna recommend you these global trends and cases that Google prepared, and we worked on this file too, to investigate and review the popular trends and automation for business. So here's our first variant. I can show in this way. We asked AI to analyze this. We asked to work with this file, and he made a suggestion, and also he described the problem. He described the efficiency of this implementation and duration. How many times do we need to implement this solution? You can pause later, or I can share the presentation with you also. That's fine. And we can go to the next AI work. And here is how the second model suggested us the review of the file. We see less data, we see no efficiency rate, we see no implementation duration, and but that's fine. Both AIs has the same prompt, and we started comparing them manually and decide which one is better. You can also decide and put whatever you want in chat, or you can do it later, just for your own, and decide which AI is better. So comparing AI, the first one was Gemini, the second was Claude, and doing this by our own, we spent 1 hour of time to read all cases, to review links, and with AI, we did it less than 5 minutes. It's with our review. But AI, it's not about full automation. It's about assistant, because you need to be a qualified guy in the niche, and you need to understand what are you working on. So without your expertise, you can't rely on AI totally, because the confidence, the AI confidence is 95%, and the truth that he provides can be 5%. So don't rely totally on AI. He trying to tell the untruths, and he trying to hide his unprofessional under the hood. That's why we are using compare mode, because working with different AI solutions, you can validate the answers, decrease hallucinations. Hallucinations is also a problem for modern AI systems. You don't see ChatGPT on the screenshot, because GPT started hallucinate, and he provided not a clear answers. He provided I can say some strange answers that we actually don't want to include in our results. So we see the time decrease with AI. We see how we can be more efficient and do more work on the same time. So here's another case where company use AI to solve the entire problem. They don't have time to buy a license or whatever. It's a tennis tournament in Australia, and they just reproduce the real play with AI models, and it like text translation, but with video flow. That's how company solves the problem that they don't have license to show the competition, but they show models, and I can present to you. It was a real game and the real tournament where company use AI actually potential. And that's a great example how a company can automate and how company can use AI power to solve their problems. So in Cabina, we are looking for such cases. We are trying to solve this and to be on the wave, as I can say. And the future of AI, where everything is going, it's not about more tools. It's more about the right workspace. And for example, my agent can communicate to Eugene agent, and they can make a deal. And only after this, for example, we can start communicating based on decisions that our agent did. Also, there are a lot of platforms that provide AI workflows, AI integration, but from my perspective, the future is right in automation with agents, because workflow need to be created. We need to work with workflows. We need to understand how to integrate this tool with other. But using agent power, we don't need this. For example, the last it's not the last, but OpenAI provided operator that can operate with your computer. And it's the next level of communication with the system. It's the next level of automating your processes. You allow AI to be their full partner, but again, don't totally rely on AI, because he's trying to not to work actually, because we build a team, development team with project manager, developer, QA, code reviewer, solution architect, and they trying to they have some backlog, they have tasks, they can work together, and sometimes they just speak with each other, and it's actually really hard to make them working together as a team. But we created a complete human-like team where each specialist can move the task from his own to another team member and change his responsibilities and work less. It was a fun experience, actually. So, and if we are speaking about strategies for Ukrainian, for global business, for implementing AI in their work, we can split it into 5 levels. Level 1, we ignore AI totally, and we can be replaced by someone who can work and know how to use AI efficiently in a few years. I think it's true. The first level, when we're using ChatGPT, Claude, it's fine. These tools can improve your work. It can be time saver on your routine tasks. It's totally fine. But the next level, it's AI assistant. You can use ChatGPT's GPTs like an agent. You can use multi-agent platforms. You can use our platform to make your work even more efficient, even more optimization in your work process. That's, I think, for now, it should be a basic level, actually. AI processes that can be, if we are speaking about business, it can be AI automations. You can automate your workflows with agents, with workflows platform like Make or Zapier or N8N or Cabina, whatever. But you use the combination of AI with integration into your system more deeply, and you can increase efficiency of your team and efficiency of your product even more. The next level is AI team. You have your own department that work on different integrations, different solutions. The result is your business will transform. We have a lot of different cases. I was a participant on some AI conference, and Prom UA told about how they build the entire recommendation flow with AI. So they have their own development team, and they have a possibility to transform their business and be more efficient. The next level, the fifth level, it's own LLM, own AI model, there where other companies goes. It's a full independent workflow. You doesn't rely on other services. We also provide this level of automation, because own LLM, own model will give you more confidence that the data doesn't leak anywhere. Because we know cases when DeepSeek was trained on your data, and actually you need to filter what data you provide to AI models, and you need to know how they will recognize and how will they work with them later. So on LLM, it's quite expensive solution, but actually give you more flexibility, independence, and full automation, and actually can pivot your product to another layer. Here I want to show you how Alexandra, our co-founder, use AI agents and use AI for own customization, and he'll be the practical case how you can build an agent by own. Actually, can you hear the sound from the video?
No.
Okay, that's fine. I'll be her mouse. She's showing us how he can build the AI agent, and she is a professional cosmetologist, and she uploads her customer survey that her customer provided, and ask AI to analyze this. This part is data sources and big files. These files are not structured. These files can be any format, and you can work with them in once. That's how AI later will recognize your product, your company, brand book, whatever. I'll show the real example later. So she upload files to data source. She go back to the chat where she started to work with her action, her survey. The role skincare expert, it's the basic behavior of our agent. So she provided details to this role, and she provided the data source here with the products. Also, Alexandra is the professional doctor, and she takes responsibilities for the answers. She doesn't give this agent to the client directly, because AI can lie to us. So I'll share a presentation, and you can later view this video on your own machine. So here is basic information, and AI trying to lie. And if Alexandra wasn't a professional doctor, I think she can't use the platform in this way, because AI can speed up her process. We can see that without Cabina, she processed 10 requests per week. With Cabina, she processed 40 requests per week. just only because the AI agent can take the routine tasks from she, and we see that sales revenue increased. We see ROI. We see that average time per survey is less. So Alexandra became more efficient and scalable to work with multiple clients, just building one AI agent that can solve her problem. So how's the RAG technology and data sources work? That we took structured or unstructured data, we chunk them. It's when you split the documents in multiple parts. It can be by paragraph, by page. There are different strategies. We use VectorDB. It's more technical term, but if we are speaking with general language, it's like we took the Harry Potter book, we take every page and move them on the floor, and just using our brush with a magic color and make a dot on the pages. So our AI agent doesn't work with the whole document. He go through the dots from the biggest one to the smallest, and that's how he can collect data without the need to read the whole document. And we review chunks and respond to the human, to the customer with proper data. Using data sources decrease the number of hallucinations, decrease the number of problems with AI answers. I'll show it later. So we also have automation flow. That's I told you our internal development. We have sales bots that collect and go through the sales workflow for B2B companies. He collects data. He trying to understand their business problems, their needs, and only after this he trying to get a contact to reach our customer. Once he collects email, he notify us in a separate chat. He told, okay, here's the business description, here's the problem, here the short summary what we are speaking with this person, and here's the contact. Contact them ASAP, and our company process this request. So with less team members, we can do the same amount of work, because for the sales team we have we left only manager and sales agents do their own, but the main decision is made by human, not by AI. AI just their tool that's been using by our company. Another case that's on December we hired a new person. Actually, the market is in some waves. I don't know how to tell. I received more than 100 CVs, and my AI agent helped me to organize all CVs. He started from a scoring system. I provided details who is the perfect candidate for our company, and he just scored. He doesn't respond. He build the metrics with the candidates in the table and put some data in it. And after this, we had a meeting with the candidates. I made some interviews, and we took the best suitable team member in our team. But onboarding previously without AI agents took more than 1 month. It's time together with mine, together with the team, because a new team member asks a question. He needs to know the project, he needs to know the relations between services, the relations between people, and we build our own AI agent. that can respond to basic questions. We create a data source with our project structure, with project documentation, with everything that is needed for quick onboarding. And for the last team members, I almost doesn't participate in onboarding process, because AI agent can solve more than 95% of main tasks. And for me, it's totally fine, because I am not involved in this process as much as I've been during our previous onboarding. And another case, it's Elena. She's a lawyer, and she uses AI agents to work with trademark registrations, to analyze documents, and actually she has she also increased her efficiency. She also increased how many cases she can do during the same period. We have extremely high ROI here because we calculated this, the amount of money she spends on Cabina for her regular requests, and the profit she made with this investment. That's because she need to work with different clients, and previously she had a human agent, human support that solves this problem. And now with AI agent, with a proper role, with the proper instructions, she can do more work and spend less time. And again, in compare mode, ChatGPT failed this the last task, and Gemini with given role complete the case successfully, and she solved this case in minutes, not in hours. About workflows, that's how we can automate. From my perspective, it's already the old flow, the old approach, because you need manually click the all notes by your own. For example, when you receive Google Mail, you put it, you automate the process. You don't need to put this on Google Sheet. Then AI node process the request and answer back to Gmail. But all these tasks can be automated with AI agent, the agent who is responsible for mail answering. That's where the market is going, and we started development workflows and flows in January, and maybe this solution doesn't see production at all and will be transformed and totally new AI agents, operators that can operate with your data, with your workflows, and complete your routine tasks just because he can do. But also these workflows, these agents is totally depends on the model strengths. For example, Haiku 3.5 is less powerful than Sonnet 3.7, and we can see the result of their thinking process, how they can perform tasks. For example, when we use Grok Mini, Grok made a mistake, and he used the tools incorrectly, and he go to infinite loop of tool calling, and he can't do the tool correctly. He can't, for example, send message to Telegram, and that's fine. But he received an error. He's trying to do another approach. He again received an error, but he's stupid to do the the thinking process and analyze the error. So he just doing the same mistake and the same mistake. And GPT 4.3 just complete this task in a single like step. So here's workflows, and you can use our platform or and make these automation processes is totally fine, and they cover the basic approaches and the basic automation for your business. But again, I would rather recommend you understand how the agent works and how to build your own agent without this manual automation. That's the last slide actually, and I wanna show you on the real examples how Cabina and how agent works. So here's the main view where we can choose roles, choose data sources. We can even build your prompt library. It's the actually the most used prompts that you created. For example, we need always to draw some market documents, whatever, and we don't wanna copy and paste and store somewhere our previously generated prompts. So I want to show you, here's my own roles. We have even Cabina CTO. He helped me to write Twitter posts. He helped me to write news. Developer, Tarot, it's my second person who just took the card. How the conference goes. The basic example, our Tarot agent responsible only for taking cards from the deck, and he only know how to take cards. So 6 of Wands, 3 of Pentacles, and he make a short description. For me, it's just for fun agent that that can just be the proof of work. Better agent is Cabina Wizard. We built this agent to help other businesses to integrate with AI using Cabina, and with this agent try to find the similar points where we can be where we can help business and where the business can use our solution. For example, I sold cars in Poland. I sold, okay. Using this role, Cabina Wizard, he trying to investigate our business. He trying to review the website and other. No, just this. Again, we can compare the same results with other models, with other versions of AI, and okay, he provided a plan for Cabina integrated in your Polish car sales business, and he know our basic features, but he already a bit outdated, because I can do this job by my own actually, and he provided the basic response. I don't like actually GPT 3 Mini, but here's the response without our role. That's fine, and just a second. Actually, in Cabina, we already implemented web search that allows agents to. Okay, doesn't matter. That is, I can tell this intermediate research. It doesn't to be so deep as OpenAI have, but that's okay to make general browsing, general research for your business. That's totally fine. And the next tool I want to show you, and I always use, it's data sources. We have our client, and it's our company that provided us their catalog with their products. We see that the catalog is not fully Ukrainian, and we can communicate with this catalog. What should I use for soybeans? How to deal with bugs? So he's trying to find the information about soybeans in the catalog. Let's take some moment. That actually shows the power of good prompting, because you see that I used to use the low quality prompts, and AI needs some time to understand the actual point. Okay, he provided us the documents where he searched for soybeans. We see that our document is totally Ukrainian, and he found Svetogor. It's a tool is used for dealing with bugs for soybeans, and he also provided key details. That's how we build our agent that work inside this chat. But this agent can be moved to your customer support window, for example, on your own website. This agent can be moved in Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. You can build your agent data sources. For example, we have some of our cases is under NDA, and I can show you exactly, but company is using our agent to build their customer support assistant, and he not only work with the database, with the data store, he also browse the internet, he also go to the websites and provide related links based on user request, and build their bucket for the customers. So when a user asking about, on this case, about soybeans, he not only can suggest the proper ingredients and the proper chemistry, he also can provide the links where I should buy this product. So it's the next iteration of search. It's the next iteration of smart search for websites. We're also working on this solution. So I'm not an agro man. I don't know what tools should I use to work with bugs. I see the problem, and I just need a solution. The solution is that I put my prompt in the search bar. For example, we have search in prompt UA or Rosetka or Silpo, but I don't know what I'm looking for. I'm not confident in the insecticide tools and chemistry. I just have a problem, and this AI agent can help me to be your customer, because I don't know actually what I need to search. I need to make a small research, then I don't want this. I am just a regular client that want to buy something that can solve my problem. And here's where these agents, here's where their AI power can help you in your business, can automate your business flows. So actually, right now we are looking for the real cases and we have a special offer for early bird business adopters right now, because we are helping them to be the first to automate their internal or external business processes. For example, another company that working with us, it's B2B niche specific retail in Canada. We even created a custom model for them. Our ML engineer trained this model, and when the user send image to this agent, he analyzes it and provides the links to the products from the store based on this request. But we need a custom model and security layer, because client doesn't want to share the entire database with OpenAI, Claude or whatever. That's totally fine, and we understand the risks. Another case where it's European B2B retail company that automate their B2B sales flow, and they don't have actually price for products on their website. The price is dynamic, based on customer allocation, based on request, based on different parameters, and we integrate AI so deep in their product, so AI know who is this customer, what he ordered before, what he been purchased, and suggest the appropriate price for him based on multiple parameters. But this is we are speaking about custom AI implementations. The basic implementation you can do with Cabina for your own or business. You can use N8N, Make, that's totally fine. And that will increase your business efficiency, speed up your sales, reduce, for example, previously you had a department of 3 people that make sales. That doesn't mean that you will like fire all 3 people and AI will completely change them. That means that these 3 people can make 10 times more sales with AI power and AI agents. That's all. That means that one person, one team member can be the agent orchestrator. He can manage AI agents and be the brains and the main the main brain. And AI is just a tool that help him to be more effective. That's the only usage for AI for now. That's totally fine. And as a small point that you can use, for example, tools. These tools is for improving your prompt. Okay, he know that I speak with him Ukrainian, and he provided a response the language using language from my profile. But generated prompt, it's suggested a prompt based on my input. AI knows that we need details in our prompt. He knows that draw cat, it's a bad prompt. We saw the examples previously. Previously, AI doesn't respond correctly. That's okay. And you need to study how to work with AI, how to be a better prompt engineer and understand the AI behavior. You need to know how to build a system prompt for your agents, because here's how I built Cabina Wizard. I provided who is he, I provided data sources, I provided some strategies, I provided basic flow, I provided tone, so our agent know what he need to do. For example, we have UI UX designer. Also, it's a good practice to have example. So AI will respond based on this example and just provide the clear answer to us. So here is UI UX designer. We can see that the prompt we are using inside, it's not just 2 sentences. We need AI clearly understand his role. We need AI describing this role, describing the role of your agent. Follow next rule. Describe your perfect candidate. Describe your perfect team worker, and describe his responsibilities. For example, when I build the lawyer agent, I asked the company describe their regular team member. I asked them, I and our AI agent will understand their responsibilities and understand the flow, because you want the confident team member, but you also want that team member to be to speak with you and in specific tone. So you don't want him to be rude. You don't want him to use some words that, for example, you don't know. You want him to speak with you. For example, some AIs can use the terms C1, C2 level of English. Okay, that's fine, but we can add some hint here and tell him, speak to me as a regular native English speaker with B2 level, and he will provide the clear response based on your level. That's totally fine, and the clear instruction to AI, that's also a prompt for all. And we describe everything. So AI agent, it's not about full automation and full process automation. No, it's about assistant that can solve the part of your work. But you or your team need to be aware how to use AI correctly, how to use the proper tasks, the proper descriptions, the proper actions, and to be here on the level 3 or higher. Level 3, it's the highest level for automation and AI, automate AI processes without spending extra money on custom, on personal AI team, on personal models, on without spending money for outstaffing people. That's the highest level you can achieve by your own and by your own team, without extending your development department or whatever. But this this level is, I think, it's okay for, it's totally okay for your business. So to build the perfect AI agent, you can use the prompt, you can use data source that reduce the amount of context that we provide to AI. About LoRA, I created a poof. It's my mascot, just funny image. And for example, how I use this poof. I'm asking Claude to describe an image, and then I use Flux. It's we can use actually in the same window, but for demonstration purposes, we can use side-by-side comparison mode. And we're using the same prompt. It's funny that it will not work. It takes some time. Okay, we can wait. That's fine that AI tried to make my poof, my Claude looks like the cartoon. It's fine that he provided the strange result, because we can see the smiling face, teeth, mustache, but my main mascot is quite strange, actually. So this result is totally fine, but we can play with params and configure the LoRA strengths, the guidance. That's how AI follows the rules inside the prompt. And also, for the best result, we can include poof name in the prompt. That also increase the results of output image. Actually, that's all that I want to show you. That's all I want to told you about agents.
Okay, Dmytro, do you have some context? Maybe how to find you?
Sorry.
Yeah.
I can hear you now. Yeah.
Dmytro, can you share how to find you? Yeah, maybe some your social media, other. Okay, and Diana, Ivan, maybe you have additional questions. You can raise your hand or put it in the chat. Maybe you have some questions.
About questions and integration, we have a contact form, and here's the real person answering you. For our own flows, we don't use AI because my partners like communicating and like own like personal touch to each client. So you can just send a message to support.
Okay, great. Live powered by AI humans. Great. Yeah. And I have a question, Dmytro, on your presentation. You described 5 levels of integration AI, and it's interesting your opinion. Which position do you recommend to integrate to common organization to boost inner AI using?